Welcome to the first ever ELT.Camp here in the heart of the Mekong Delta, Can, Vietnam. Under the theme New Age ELT, New Age Teachers for New Age Learners, ELT.Camp 2023 aims to redefine the landscape of English language teaching. By delving into the evolving needs of today's learners and exploring innovative teaching methods,
we do believe that ELT professionals must stay updated and be ready to engage these new age learners effectively.
The rise of digital technology and evolving student expectations have also transformed how languages are learned. Your journey at ELT.Camp 2023 starts with a keynote presentation followed by 3 distinct camps. Each camp focuses on a specific topic related to the overall theme. These camps are not just theoretical discussions. They are tailored to address real-life teaching situations.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Anh Đào. I will be guiding you through the ways we can use teaching toward the new age learners.
Good morning everyone, my name is Cường Phạm. Welcome to our session. We will be discussing the significant role that emotions play in ELT classrooms.
Hi, my name is Han Nguyễn. Let's explore how we can help our new age learners with the life skills to prepare for the future.
ELT.Camp 2023 also offers an exclusive opportunity for one-on-one talks with experts, where you can seek advice tailored to your specific teaching challenges and goals.
Hello, let us get with us about any issue or problems that you have in your classroom.
We are here to help you.
So get ready to embark on a journey of professional growth, connection, and transformation. ELT.Camp 2023 awaits your active participation because your voice, your experience, and your passion for teaching matter. And don't forget to hunt exclusive gifts and prizes from ELT.Camp 2023. See you at the campfire of education innovation.